Hi, welcome to day 163 of 365 days of art in nature. And we have a very short, brief, three-word prompt. Draw a desert. Closest I've come to was a painting of Uluru, previously known as Ayers Rock in Central Australia. That's my painting there. I did that one probably a couple of years ago. So that was enjoyable. So you can draw from your imagination, paint from your imagination, or you can source a image online to give you inspiration, or if you live near a desert, go find your own inspiration. Have fun with that, and thanks for watching.